Hello everyone. So today I'm just checking out the view on the GoPro 11. I went on a few rides, and I wasn't really happy about the view that you guys were seeing through the helmet cam. I did some great rides with some great scenery. So today I'm just doing a really short ride here. I think I might just do some turns in a parking lot and then just kind of check the camera. I did notice that I had this one set on wide instead of super view, and also I had it set just a little bit lower on one of my videos. So I think I've got those issues resolved, but I'm not gonna know until I get home and view the footage. Like most of my footage, I may or may not upload it. If I upload it, I mean, I don't plan for you guys to be impressed with the footage, but maybe just kind of take away you know, kind of things that have worked with certain setups and things that I have not. But since I did come out here, you know, I thought I'd get a couple of turns in the parking lot. Now, as some of you that follow me know, that I won't be riding for a couple of months, and the reason for that is because I'm going to have surgery. And because of the surgery, you know, I won't be able to ride. It'll be hard to sit, and I'm hoping that I'm not going to be out as long as, you know, I think I'm going to be out. But I'm a pretty stubborn person, and you know, if anything, I like to get out and do things as quickly as possible. So I know a lot of people don't practice a lot of parking lots things, especially when you've been riding for a while, but I still like to get out and practice. So I'm gonna just be quiet here for a bit so I could concentrate. Sometimes when you're on the street, you end up in a tight spot where you have to do a U-turn. It's happened to me a few times. So I want to make sure, you know, that I practice them. Because remember, with a scooter, there's no clutch or gears, So you really you're not going to get that same friction zone that you would do on a motorcycle. So you just kind of have to work like the brake. I mean, I would like that turn to be tighter, but I mean, right now that's decent. Let's just try one more. Yep, that was good. And I'll try one more up there, going right. Well, on the street, you're not gonna make a lot of right U-turns, but just let's say here you stop and then you want to turn here. You know, obviously you want to keep in your lane. So that's the reason I do practice and learn from my mistakes. Like I said, this is a pretty short video because I just wanted to see what the camera view looks like. So let's see how it looks, and hopefully it looks great. The wire that you see dangling there is the wire that I use to plug in my GoPro when I have it on my handlebars. I rode about 86 miles through the hills with Kimberly, and some of those hills were just going downhill. You really have to watch your speed, because the one that I was on, the ridge route, you'll see a video of it. I mean, there were hardly any signs that told you not only how fast to go, but what type of bend to expect. So you may be going left around something that, you know, goes in a complete U and then go to a right, or you might be going straight, and just the way that the road is and how you're higher in some areas, you don't even notice that there's a turn coming up. And especially for me, when I was coming back, the sun was directly at me. So with that, it made it difficult. Okay, well, let's see how this video comes.